Hey, it's Kate with WTI. And if you're looking to capture some memories with your film camera, then this Fujifilm is a must-have.
This film has been perfect to use with my half frame film camera. So each roll gives you 36 exposures. Of course, with my half frame, I get double. So I've been loving that. But it's so easy to go ahead and just load into my camera. Obviously, very straightforward with film as far as film goes. But I'm really, really happy with the quality of the photos I've been getting from the Fujifilm. These are color negatives. So I just go ahead and shoot some beautiful photos with my camera, and my camera has a little bit of a kind of aesthetic look to it, kind of a little romantic filter over it, if you will. But I just love how these photos have come out. When the film comes back, I am just so happy. So every time I use this Fujifilm film, I am super, super happy with it. I think the colors are really, really beautiful. And especially the way they come out on my little camera, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Has this really pretty vintage look about it. Of course, they come in little cases, so you're able to keep your film nice and organized, and that lid just pops open and then you are good to go. So I'm really happy with this film.
I am so happy with how my photos have been coming out using Fujifilm. I am definitely a repeat customer with them, and I recommend checking it out if you're looking for a great film. But that's just my point of view.